Hey, my name's Brady Dyer, and right now we're heading to the coolest Wellington On a Plate event. When the schedule came out and I looked through, I was like, this is one I need to do. So I bought tickets to this before it sold out weeks and weeks ago. The idea is you buy a ticket to the event. An hour ago I received an email telling me where the event will be taking place. So I'm now heading to Opera House Lane to receive a sandwich via parachute. Cheers. Cheers, mate. That sandwich was amazing. I'm not sure what was cooler. An amazing sandwich, gherkin, pork, mustard sauce, or the fact it was delivered by parachute. I also filmed a 360 video, so go to my Facebook page, I've uploaded it there. Not going to do a full vlog today, just this little video. Catch you next time. Oh my god, that sauce is amazing. Oh my god, try this. Playing with the 360 camera, you can look down over the mezzanine and you can see our yummy food.